cutest baby, huh? Hi. Who's the cutest baby in the world? Oh, who's got a little hiccup? You have a little hiccup? Oh, boy. Who's got a little hiccup? Yeah. Milos has a little hiccup. Milos has a little hiccup. Hi. Oh, boy. What are we going to do with your hiccup? What are we going to do with your hiccup? Yeah? What are we going to do? Who's the cutest baby in the world, huh? Who's the cutest baby? Are you the cutest baby in the whole world? Yes. Are you? Look at those cheeks. Look at those fat little cheeks. Who's got little chubby cheeks? Hi. Hi, Stinker.